Hello again. It's quite cold here. 2 degrees Celsius, which is what, 36 Fahrenheit, I think. Cold. Right, working on this VIC. Driving me nuts at the minute. On the step up side, I'm getting up to 36 to 40 volts, which is going through L1 and L2, and still having my 36 to 40 volts coming out the other side of it. And I've held it. I've got a jolt off it. It is working, but the minute I put a load on it, like my cell, well, my spiral cell goes to 0, and at the minute I've just 2 plates for experimentation. It sort of pulls down about 15 or 11 volts, pulls it from 36 down to 11 on the 2 plate cell, and no output whatsoever. But voltage, it's that's a start. Right, this is where I'm at here today. That's my output voltage in AC. That's my output voltage from that's my output voltage from PWM Lawton circuit. So that's my output, but there's no kick behind it, so I think I need more. I need a bit more oomph, so I'm going to need to change these here. As of now, I'm not doing anything with L1 and L2, although I'm reading our L2 is variable in some of the stuff I'm reading, so that makes sense when you're trying to tune it. To me it's all just, it's like an antenna. You're setting up a resonance circuit as if you were tuning or building an antenna, which is something that I was into. Is one of my radios, 2 meter multi-mode. Right. This is the other cell that I'm working on, and I need at the minute it needs accurate spacing inside this here. So what I'm doing is putting a piece of epoxy staggered every 120 degrees around this, and but right now at the minute, with the temperature being 2 degrees, the epoxy is not working anywhere near the way I want it, so that's going to have to be put on hold until I get it into the house, and at least get up to about 15-16 degrees before I start mixing any more epoxy. And that'll be another one I want to test and work with. But like I said, I just got 2 plates together like that, and I've been putting them at different distances and messing with capacitance, but I think it's not enough oomph, not enough welly coming out of it, so do a bit more rewinding and have another go at it. Although, to be honest with you, this morning, the last couple of days I've come out here, you're sitting out here and freezing your nuts off. It's puts you down. You know, it's very, very hard to think and be creative, and you know, so right now I could do with the damn thing going. Although it can work brute force. You know, I can produce gas and probably get enough to get a wee heater running, but that's not what I'm about. I don't want to do it brute force. I don't want to put electrolytes in it. You know, so maybe I'm being stubborn, and but no, it's the way I want to do it. There's a lot of people doing it their own ways, but no, I'm worked. Need to make another set of VIC bobbins, and possibly change configuration. Might have a look on eBay about some ferrite. Some thoughts on that, on making better inductors, but no, definitely rewind that and get the voltage up and see how that if that makes any difference. Had a few been thinking a lot about EPG, so I have and sitting watching a magnet motor working. It's pretty damn close to what the EPG is, without the moving parts. You know, without the hub, the axle, you know, that's what the EPG is. It's a magnet motor, plain and simple. I think it's gas. I think the gas is the way to go. Nice gas. Of my argon here, I might have a go at that with it, but I don't know yet. Like I say, it's cold, and hopefully, you know something, I might just throw a brute force set together. Well, from what the equipment I have sitting here, I can easily do that and get some heat going. I was thinking then maybe run it. Well, there's no point in me thinking to run it off the solar panels. I've only got about 10 watts on my solar, so that's not really enough for to do that. But somewhere down the line, I might hopefully get some bigger cells, which would be nice, and get this other system up running that I got from William, and you know, it's nicely engineered, nice put together, and have that sitting as a test cell. 6 tubes in it, but I can run them any configuration that I want. Okay, so still here, still going, but it just feels like I'm drudging away at the minute, you know. I hit a brick wall with this here, but give me a day or two, I'll pick myself up and see if I can come up with an answer. There is no problems, no such thing as problems. There is no such thing as problems, only challenges. I'll tell you what the difference is. A problem keeps you awake at night, and a challenge gets you up in the morning. So if you live by there's only challenges, you have something to get up for. So I need a few challenges. Okay, peace, enjoy yourselves. Most of all, have fun in life.